Hi, I'm Zach Piercy from Poynter Sheet Metal. We did 360 digital workflows, and we really focused in on a process that we eliminated and turned digital in the whole steps in the process. So a lot of the things that happen are tech and all these different programs and softwares. We really focused on the process of implementing it and developing it. Taking the old process and developing what are the steps and what's the next step and who's involved. And we really highlighted that. It really forced us to get our things together and get in line and find all the cracks. So it was a process that was created out of we knew we were going to do it. But the presentation mode kind of made me document things a lot better. So I came out of there with, actual, flow charts and how things were processed and how they were and how they are. It helped to develop the app faster. And it really gave me a solid deadline because I needed it working so I could present on it. So honestly, there's a lot of different opportunities, a lot of different products. And then there's things that you can do. So really the key is to knowing what you have and what your problems are and what needs fixed, right? What is the actual problem that you need to build a solution for or purchase a solution? Basis of everything was around communication. Everyone has it. It's actually the number one thing when I searched, problems within businesses, and it goes across all industries, construction included. It's communication, and we have that shop versus field, and it's no hidden secret that was a problem. So what we try to do is create a centralized location that everyone communicated in, and it was open, it was transparent. Everyone could see where things were. I'm not recreating the wheel. Amazon and Domino's, they've been doing it for ages. I just kind of duplicated their side. Presenting I've done it a couple of years. Honestly, it does a good job of forcing you to look inward a little bit. It's things that, I've taken classes before. It's a lot of dancing, on the dance floor and up above, watching the performance. And a lot of times we're working, in the business and not on the business. And it really forces you to take something and really dive into it and how it's operating. And then you get to meet a lot of different people from a lot of different cross sections. It opens up communication a lot, right? So if people coming up and saying, hey, I took your class, I enjoyed it, they'll give you ideas. There's a lot of people here that are a lot better at it than I am, but they've given me ideas and tips and I've given them the same. So it creates that communication. So this year's been really great. There's been a lot of management and kind of a shift. I've seen this kind of transform 6 years ago from being the BDC and, really driven into the CAD and CAM world to now it's open. A lot of people have evolved from classes on, giving feedback, right? How to properly do that, seeing how others are doing things. I've seen things that I'm going to take back and kind of tweak ours and make it work for us, but using some of their base ideas, and that's what it really is. It's really just to share what he said. It really is a good thing. It's like it's pretty open. People are willing to show off the cool things that they're doing and how it's helping them, and you can use that to leverage to make yourself better.